Hello, my name is Colin. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me on today's exciting review of the Maybelline Master Prime with sunscreen. So this is a primer with sunscreen in it. So I'm very excited to try this. Let's see, on Ulta.com, it's $9.99. And you know I've been looking for a good sunscreen because I've been using that Tatcha one that's so expensive. It's called the FaceStudio Master Prime Blur and Defend Primer. It's $9.99. Let's see what it says. My dog's gonna run in the background here. Don't be distracted. It says details, Maybelline's FaceStudio Master Prime and Blur and defends against sun damage, formulated with a water-soluble base and active ingredients to refine the look and feel of skin and keep makeup in place from morning to night. Benefits, smooth and even out skin tone, prolong the wear of makeup, blur lines, boost your glow, and disguise redness. Formulated for a range of skin complexion concerns, weightless, non-oily, and water-soluble formula. So I'm very excited to try this. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get into it and put it on the face, and then I'll check in with you throughout the day. All right, so let's go ahead and squirt it out and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. I don't know, it's a pink. It's like kind of it's not as dimethicone as I thought it was gonna be, like that thick silicone texture. So I don't know, let's just go ahead and put it on the face and see how it works here. It smells kind of fresh, kind of sunscreeny. I don't think I got enough here, so we'll just do it just a little bit more. It feels pretty good on the skin. I don't know if I'm supposed to put this all over my face or, I mean, I would imagine it because it's sunscreen. All right. It feels pretty good. It smells pretty good. It smells like fresh. Like, not too crazy, you know? Okay. All right, let's let it soak in for a second and see what we think. So, did it blur? Oh, I got a little bit extra here. Did it blur? I'm gonna say I don't think it's blurring my pores. I mean, maybe a little bit as it dries down, but it feels nice. I don't know if you could wear this just like by itself and have it do anything. It's drying down nicely. Maybe it's doing a little bit of blurring, but I'm not 100% on that. It's not like the other primer that I used. Maybe I have it in here. This stuff blurs your pores. Smashbox minimizing pores. This like is a very thick silicone texture. You press it into the skin and it definitely blurs the pores. So this one's not that crazy. Maybe a little bit. I mean, my skin does look nice. It looks fresh. I mean, maybe you could wear this without anything else on top. I don't know. So we're gonna go in with the Fenty Powder Foundation because that's what I know and love at this point. And I know how it reacts. So we can see if it works, if the primer works. So let's just go ahead and apply our powder foundation. All right, so we're done applying. And a little bit of dewiness is still coming through, and that's fine, I like that. And it didn't say that it's a matte primer, so I don't think it's supposed to be mattifying. But I think that my skin looks really good. It does look a little bit smoother than usual, so I'm digging that. It's got the sunscreen in it, which I love a good sunscreen, so I'm digging it so far, just the look of it. Also, I shaved my beard today, and does anybody else hate shaving their beard or trimming their beard? Because I feel like I go over it and over and over and try to get even, and I can never get it even. So it's frustrating, but We got baby face today, or a little bit more baby face. So anyway, yes, so I like the way that it looks in here. We will do our first check-in out in the car. I was just checking out my teeth. We'll do our first check-in in the car to see how it looks in the direct sunlight. And then I will take you with me throughout the day to see how this wears, see how we like it. I'm liking it so far. Nice texture, nice price, made my skin look pretty good. So yeah, let's just see how it goes. I'll check you in a little bit. All right, we are out here in the streets of Denver. I'm in my uniform, my black polo, keep it consistent. You know, I look a little bit shinier on camera than I do in person, but I'm looking in the mirror and I'm digging this. Not so much a blur factor. I'm struggling with my hair today. Not so much a blur factor, but it looks nice. I like that it has sunscreen. I don't love my shaved face. Is the bottom of my face lighter than the top because I had a beard? I think so. Anyway, yeah, I'm digging it. You know, I think that I could layer like a blurring primer on top and, you know, make it amp this up a little bit, but I'm digging it as a base. I like that it has sunscreen. I like that it's $10. So we're doing good so far. So let's keep going. Hello. We're back. Yeah, so I'm just here doing a final walkthrough for a client, and I'm currently in the bathroom before they get here doing this check-in. So it's been about, I want to say 3 hours since we've applied, and I'm just looking in the mirror, and we are looking a little blurred, so I'm loving that. Obviously, I'm a little shiny, per usual, oily skin, oily combo skin. I need to touch up my powder a little bit, so maybe I'll do that here in just a second. But yeah, I think that I like this primer. It blurs a little bit. It definitely is gonna protect your skin because of the sunscreen in it. So I'm excited to kind of play around with it a little bit with more products to see what I can do, like layering like a blurring primer or a mattifying primer on top, and kind of to see where this goes. But I'm digging it a lot, and it's $10. Can we talk about that? Like $10, cannot beat that. Sunscreen, blurs pores kind of. Like, we're into this. I'm so into this. Definitely check this stuff out. Thank you so much for joining me on this review. We have a win. I'm so excited moving forward. I think this trumps anything. This trumps the Tatcha. This is like creamy. It goes on the skin. Smells good. But anyway, this is a total win. So go check this stuff out, guys. Stay tuned to see how I use this with other products. Definitely subscribe to see that. Thank you so much for joining me on this one, and I will check you on my next video. Bye.